Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Jaleel Abbas from Multan Public School and College, and today we will study nouns and kinds of nouns. First of all, the definition. A noun is a word used as a name of a person, place, or thing. All objects that we can see, hear, touch, taste, or smell, and something that we think of. It means all the things which exist in this universe are called noun, and all the things around us are nouns. And there are some things which we only think of. So these are the abstract nouns, and we will study in detail what are the abstract nouns. Examples, words in italic are nouns. The rose smells sweet. Rose. In this sentence, rose is a noun. The sun rises in the east. Sun is a noun, and the east is noun. His courage won him honor. Courage and honor, these are abstract nouns. Herd of cattle is passing. Herd, collective noun, and cattle, common noun. So there are four kinds of nouns. Major kinds of are the main kinds of nouns: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, and abstract nouns. So we will study the definitions, and through the examples we will come to know what are these nouns stands for. A common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of same kind or genre. So all the kinds of the genres around us are common nouns. For example, animal, human beings, chair, table, everything around us which exists in this universe is a common noun. But when a special name is given to this common noun, it becomes proper noun. So here in these examples, italic words in italic are common nouns. And the boy is very intelligent. Boy is a common noun. I was excited to see animals in zoo. Animal and zoo, these are common nouns. A proper noun is a name of some particular person, place, or thing. Proper nouns are always written with a capital letter at the beginning. So here in italic, the words in italic are proper nouns. Badshai Mosque is located in Lahore. Badshai Mosque and Lahore. Allama Iqbal is national poet of Pakistan. So in first example, if there is written only mosque, it will be a common noun, but when it is given a name, Badshai Mosque, it becomes proper noun. City is a common noun, but Lahore is a name given to the some city, so Lahore is a proper noun. Allama Iqbal is a proper noun. Pakistan is a proper noun. So these are the special names given to a person and a country. Collective noun is a name of number or collection of persons or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. Here are some examples: crowd, mob, team, flock, herd, army, fleet, jury, family, nation, parliament, committee. For example, a fleet, a collection of ships and vessels; an army, a collection of soldiers; a crowd, a collection of people. When we say a fleet of ships, so it gives a sense of number of ships, and when we say an army, so it gives a sense of number of soldiers, and when we say a crowd, so it gives a sense of collection of people standing somewhere. Words in italic are collective nouns. The police dispersed the crowd. Police and crowd are collective nouns. Our army defeated the enemy. Army. Jury found the prisoner guilty. Here in this sentence, jury, number of judges. It means number of judges, 2 or 3 judges. The panel of 2 or 3 judges is called jury. A herd of cattle is passing. Herd is a collective noun. So this is where abstract noun is somewhat difficult, and we will have to understand it very carefully. So there are three kinds of abstract nouns: abstract nouns of quality, abstract nouns of action, and abstract noun of state. So these abstract nouns are derived from adjectives, verbs, and common nouns. So here are some examples, and from examples we will come to know that how we can make abstract nouns from quality, from action, and from common noun. So first of all, definition: an abstract noun is usually the name of a quality, action, or state. It is derived from adjectives, verbs, and common nouns. On one side, adjectives are written, and on the other side, abstract nouns are written. So it means we are making abstract nouns from quality or from adjectives. Good from good. We can make goodness, kind, kindness, honest, honesty, wise, wisdom, brave, bravery. So you can see that we have made abstract nouns from adjectives. He is a kind person. Kind is an adjective. So what quality he possesses is kindness. He is very honest person. So honest person is a quality. Honest is his quality, and what quality he possesses is called honesty. He is a wise. The quality he possesses is called wisdom. So these are the abstract nouns of quality. So here are some abstract nouns of actions. So it means there are some verbs in English from which we can make abstract nouns. Laugh is a verb. He laughs very loudly. So this is an action. This is a verb. So from verb we are making an abstract noun, that is laughter. So what action he is doing? That is laughter. Hate, hatred. He hates someone. So it means that if he hates someone, so he is doing the action of hatred. Revise, revision, divide, division, and destroy, destruction. So you can see that from actions, from verbs, we have made some abstract nouns. So you can find some other examples from a dictionary, and in this way you will come to know that how you can make abstract nouns of quality and abstract nouns of verbs. So here is the third form of abstract nouns, that we are making abstract nouns from state. It means from common noun. So child is a common noun, and from child we have made childhood. The state in which he lives is childhood. Boy is a common noun, and the state in which he lives is called boyhood. Prophet, prophethood. Neighbor, neighborhood. Young, youth. Slave, and slavery. So dear students, now from these examples you will understand that how we can make abstract nouns from quality, from verb, and from state or from common nouns. So if you will consult dictionary, so you can make some more abstract nouns from quality, action, and common nouns. So this will be your homework, and you must find at least 10 abstract nouns of quality, 10 abstract nouns of verb or action, or 10 abstract nouns of state. So it would be good if you make some sentences. So this practice will make you perfect. Thank you very much. Do your homework at your home and submit me your homework on my WhatsApp number. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.